Cash from Yak Films, and we are in Marrakesh, Morocco for the Yak Like You Know show, where once a week we find some dope dance videos, present them to you, and tell you more about them. Lilo and Brahim made a dance montage recently. It shows them warming up backstage and performing on stage in front of thousands. This video is pretty much just showing some of the new and technical combos that they have, which are pretty much insane. The all-style, multi-country dance crew, The Rookies, has a new dance video out. This video is once again directed by their manager, Charlie Lucchini, and this video shows the lighter side of the crew and them fooling around a bit. Like we said before, their crew features electro dancers, hip-hop dancers, poppers, and even choreographed dancers. Our last clip is a short YouTube documentary. It was filmed in Berlin, Germany, in a gym where people train many different styles of dance and sports. This film speaks about urban sports in a way that groups all these activities together. At the end of the playlist, you can hear more information about our bonus video, the cool music video, shot in the Bay Area and featuring Bay Area dancers who you might have seen in other Yak Films videos. It's a new single off their album that's dropping soon. Thanks again for watching. Remember, if you want to watch these videos in full and hear more about them, just click the button right above my head that says Start Playlist. For people with cell phones, iPads, look below. There's links that lead you to each video. Or you can click right here for last week's Yak Like You Know. It features French electro dancers, a choreography performance from the Twilight Zone, and a discussion about the Air Flare being renamed Haminators. Yak Like You Know.